Bank Independent has been such a great partner because not only are they taking the stress of the finances off of our plate, but they're investing in us as we're investing in them. And I think that is a strong partnership. The spirit of what Bank Independent does is right there in the name.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather update.
Fred Gossage here on this Thursday afternoon, checking in with your 5 o'clock forecast update. We're still having to do this pre-recorded from my office space because Ben is still doing some installation on some audio equipment upgrades back in the Weather Center studio. We'll be back in there soon, but here's your latest forecast update. As of this Thursday afternoon, we'll switch over to the Arctic Air Skycam network. We're in the lower 70s here in Lawrenceburg with a partly sunny sky across the area. Some clouds around, but still plenty of sunshine shining through. The atmosphere is a little drier, dew point of 57 degrees here with an east-northeast wind currently at 8 miles per hour. Still breezy around. Slide down to the shoals. Check out the University of North Alabama in Florence, 73 degrees here with partly cloudy skies as we look south down Pine Street from atop Rivers Hall on the UNA campus there in Florence, 57. So the dew point is here as well, and a northeast wind currently at 10 miles per hour atop the building there. Viper Live Doppler radar this afternoon. I'm recording this in the 4 o'clock hour for you. Nothing going on across our local area. There are some thunder showers well off into northwest Georgia. Those are staying east of us. They're not moving this way. We're going to stay partly cloudy here through the rest of the late afternoon into the evening. Partly cloudy into the overnight as well, but temperatures dropping back into the 50s for overnight lows. Satellite radar composite across the area shows those few showers in the northwest Georgia. Elsewhere, a large part of the southeastern United States quiet, and we're going to be quiet around here. We actually don't have rain chances in the local forecast for at least the next 7 days, if not longer. Partly cloudy skies for the overnight, dropping into the low to mid 50s across southern middle Tennessee and then mid to upper 50s across North Alabama. A couple degrees milder for many of us than what we were earlier this morning. Your forecast for Friday, plenty of sunshine out there, but a few clouds at times, much like today, but maybe a little more sun. Daytime highs into the mid to upper 70s with more of an east to southeasterly wind and not quite as strong, roughly around 3 to 6 miles per hour. And then turning chilly as we head into Friday night. Now, it takes all the way to daybreak Saturday morning to get to these lows, but we're talking about widespread mid to upper 40s and isolated lower 50s area wide here from morning lows toward daybreak. On your Saturday morning, a little patchy fog after midnight as well, so likely to be the coolest night that we've had so far of this early fall season, and feeling much more like fall across the Tennessee Valley, especially for the early mornings here for the next several days. A decent weekend to get out and head out to the pumpkin patch and other outdoor activities you may have. Mostly sunny skies, daytime highs each day up into the upper 70s. By Sunday, there could be a few lower 80s, especially across North Alabama. Futurecast with the Euro model showing things quiet across the area through the weekend. Just a few clouds, mostly sunny. We have that big low pressure off the east coast of the United States. That's going to help pump down the drier and cooler air mass into our region on its outer circulation, and that's going to help reinforce that as we head into early next week. We start to get a little bit milder with high pressure to the south of us, giving us more of a southwesterly wind. It's going to be a warming wind with daytime highs climbing into the 80s, but no rain chances on the board for at least the next 7 to 10 days. But you can see the temperatures each day get a little warmer in the afternoons. We're back to the low to mid 80s for daytime highs next week. But check out the weekend, the morning lows here into the lower 50s, and that's the midpoint average between southern middle Tennessee and North Alabama on Friday night, tomorrow night, and Saturday night as well. I do expect widespread upper 40s, especially across southern middle Tennessee, and some isolated upper 40s over North Alabama. And then those overnight lows start to creep back up as we head toward the middle and latter part of next week. But still, no excessively hot weather around here anytime soon. Partly cloudy skies for the overnight, low to mid 50s for overnight lows. Then your hour by hour breakdown for your Friday here. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy, getting up to the mid 70s by the afternoon. Getting down to the upper 40s and lower 50s overnight tomorrow night. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy here for the next 7 days. all the way through next Thursday. No rain chances on the board, getting back into the low to mid 80s next week for afternoon highs. There's look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock for another check of your local weather.